to hold my hand.
Welcome back to my channel. This is MidWest Momma. I am here for my Target haul. I spent $251. I went with my youngest, so let me turn you around and show you what I got. We're gonna start out. She did get a Fuggler for her recital that she did. I ended up getting her anyway something else for her recital, but whatever. I promised it to her and she collects these, so she got a Fuggler. She bought a tank top. Let me turn my flash on. There we go. She got a pretty tank top. And I got two table runners. They were in the, I think the $3, no, oh, they were $5. They're for our barbecue that's coming up. It's just for obviously decoration. And then I got this fork, like utensil holder thing. Got a Father's Day card. This is what we're having tonight. We've had this multiple times, but it's easy and I didn't want to do anything crazy. And then over here, we have cheddar cheese. Kayla wanted some cherry Twizzlers. We got a pack of steamed cauliflower, 2 boxes of the peanut butter Junkless, and then I got the Nature Valley protein, peanut butter and dark chocolate. I think it's like the big box. I didn't have the small, and it's been out of Target. Got a small bag of Cosmic apples for myself. 2 Coffee Mate Zero Sugar creamers. 1 half and half, a heavy whipping cream, some Rouse spaghetti, another one of these. I actually don't mind apricots in this, so I don't really taste the difference. So yeah, this was really good. Not cheap, but it's really good. So I only got 1. Some Buffalo Wild Wings Parmesan garlic sauce. And I got the Alani's 5 for $12. I got 1 cherry slush. I got a blue slush, and then I got 3 of the breeze berries. Those are really good. And then I got my husband's lunch meat, baby red and green leaf lettuce. It sucks because I can only have like 2 servings out of it, but it's really good, like lettuce. And then I have it with that Just Bare chicken. So good. I got 2 jars of pasta sauce. We're going to have spaghetti and meatballs soon. I got a bag of avocados. 2 fresh cut green beans, the French style. These are the last 2. And then I got 2 cans of sweet corn. They had our ink and we were completely out. And then I got a family size multi-grain Cheerios. We still had Honey Nut. I got a barbecue Lay's chips for the oldest. Some bananas. A small thing of disinfectant wipes. Got a Mrs. Meyer Daisy Scent dish soap. We are running low on the Swiffer Wet Jet refill. My son needed his body wash. I got the micellar cleansing water. I got this one with the vitamin C. This removes like my eye makeup. And then my youngest needed, oh no, this is mine actually. I'm sorry. She's looking for mascara. She didn't find any. I got this for like my bottom lashes, but I mean, I will try it on my upper too. But I always like a smaller wand for my lower lashes, and the Il Maquillage brand that I have, it's getting like thick and goopy, so it was time for something new. I got some command strips. I have banners that I bought from the White Sox game that I want to hang up in our office. I got 2 Hawaiian bread and paper plates. So that concludes my Target haul. I think I'm going to do a Meijer pickup tomorrow and probably Sam's Club on Saturday since my husband and I are going on a date. So yeah, stay tuned for those. All right, guys, I am back from my Meijer pickup. I spent $172. I'm going to turn you around and show you what I got. All right, starting over here, I did get 2 packages of Parmesan cheese for various recipes. Not the pill pockets. I needed more spray butter. I got some sharp cheddar cheese to go on crackers for a snack. Got some pudding for Kayla. Cotton round, what are they called? Cotton round pads? I don't know. It's for beauty stuff. I got 3 Purells, 1 for each bathroom. And then I'm going to make sure that I like buy a big thing to refill instead of buying these things all the time. I want to make ramen noodle stir fry, but this is not going to be enough steak. So That's what sucks sometimes, you know, buying stuff. I thought it was going to be 2 pounds. So this was only 1 pound. So yeah, I got gypped on that one. So I'm definitely going to have to get more. And then I did get 2 packages of boneless, skinless chicken breast tenderloins. I'm going to be making that recipe again with the sugar snap peas and carrots. It was so good, guys. I did get a big thing of Cool Whip because I'm going to make strawberry icebox cake. Got some homestyle meatballs, a thing of pierogies. I still had some in a bag, but this would make a full meal for all of us, so I just got a small box. Got some Texas toast garlic bread for when we have spaghetti, my zero sugar American Dew, and Viva paper towels. Here is the soy sauce flavor of ramen. I know ramen's horrible. If I could substitute like the noodles portion somehow, I would love to. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Because like I need the soy sauce packages from it. So I don't know. They did not have the regular brand. I think it's like Kiko. No, I don't know if it's Kikoman. I don't know what brand it is, but they didn't have the regular brand of stir fry sauce. So I got the Kung Pao stir fry sauce. I hope I like it. And it's from Panda Express. I just hope it's not like spicy. Because then I'm not going to like it. I don't think so. And then we finally were out of ketchup. I think 2 people ate it out of the house. So I got 1 pastaroni, garlic and olive oil vermicelli, graham crackers for the strawberry box cake. Takes 3 ingredients: graham crackers, Cool Whip, and strawberries. It's so yummy. 2 boxes of linguine pasta. 2 bags of the butter snap pretzels for my son. And then they didn't have the family size, so they substituted for 2 small ones. They should have gotten like more than that, but whatever. Red grapes. I don't think we're gonna like these. They feel really soft to me. So yeah. And I never figured out how to return those chili beans. Like, I don't know how to do returns from Meijer. But these look, I don't know. We'll see. A thing of strawberries. I got some sweet potatoes, some southern Georgia peaches, I think is what they're called, or just southern peaches. They're for me. Squash and zucchini for another meal. The carrots, 2 things of broccoli. 1 is for the ramen noodle stir fry, because this is like not enough for us to have like as a family. And here are the peas. And then I got white bread, a thing of eggs, and soft scrub with bleach. Oh, and then I got 2 cake pans for the strawberry icebox. So that was $172. My husband and I are going on a date tomorrow for dinner, and so we'll probably do Sam's Club in person, which is never a good idea. But I will show you that haul when we do it. All right, guys. My husband and I went to Sam's Club. We would have spent $229, but I had $10 in Sam's cash, maybe from not extending, but getting like the Sam's Plus. And then I did get a $45 gift card for having some energy service with our electricity. So it ended up being $174 and some change. So I got some green grapes, Kerrygold butter, strawberries. These actually all fell out of the truck when we got home, so we definitely have to heavily wash these. Got some guacamole chips, 1 half and half, some organic green beans. My husband, he grabbed the last 3 bags of the protein balls, the cinnamon roll. Got some Sun Chips and regular Doritos, a package of pork chops, our Just Bare chicken strips, flushable wipes, a big thing of toilet paper. Whoops. My husband picked out those. 1% milk, his coconut water. I got Kayla another pair of these shorts, 2 little bites, and then we did go to Costco to get 2 of these. And I think our total was like $20 and maybe 18 cents. So that concludes our haul, or our hauls, I should say. The total is right around here. So I hope you enjoyed our hauls. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.